Octavia, me do ask you for a favor. Yeah, what you want? You could have done my ear for me, please? Alright, no problem. I just want you to fix me up a little bit because me and my husband are going on a date today. Alright, no problem. Let's pat Anthony there. Him not there. So who you be? What you doing in my man yard? Aren't you a little bit too young? You're one of them girls who love to take big man, don't it? Idiot girl, Anthony my father. But you're bright, yeah, we are called idiot girl. And I never hear about you yet. When Anthony Flower Pitney was so big. I am man, I don't even know nothing about him Pitney them. Listen here, little girl, don't come bright yourself with me. Me lick you, man. Yo, tell your father to page me, no. I don't tell my father nothing. I don't want him to chat to no yaman girl like you. First of all, look, girl, you can't know nothing about that because me and Anthony girl and him love me more than anything else in the world. First of all, my father don't want a girl like you. Look how your eyes them cross. See you lucky, see you look up at me, no. Me sure. Touch me if you're bad now. What you make I do you? What? You think I'm afraid of some look up at me? Yeah, how much? 12? Damn idiot girl, come interrupt me when I watch my show. And sport, road sport, rat pies, and oh, go on, Anthony. Oh, you don't remember me? You used to there with my niece. Yeah, if I go refresh my memory now. You don't remember my niece, Cutie, man? We live around at Bridgeport. Yo, what if I game used to there with Oliver Bridgeport, you know? Cutie, man, the coolie girl with the big body. Oh, yeah, Cutie, yeah, man, remember. She still live at top, boy, you know, talk about she love you. Eh? Yo, tell her to page me then, no? Now remember she, man, and me a page, you know. Yeah, what you say? You page me? Alright then. This is my husband, him can't fuck, you know. I want a young boy like you still. But you don't have to do it if you don't want. Yo, no worry about that thing, man. I no issue for please you. Forward, me show where I gotta go. Actually, my wife passed through. Yeah, man, she's going to use a bathroom. I hope you never get no liquor, you know. No, man, I never get nothing. But how you do that, boy? How you feel do me so? After everything I do for you. What are you, where you load up your voice for me for? But how that boy there? How you feel do this to my body? Hey, how you feel do this to me? How you feel shame me so a road pot? You dead, what you expect me to do, eh? Daddy, that boy that thief your bicycle. Hey, you, what you do? Bring back my bicycle. I'll kill me, I'll kill that boy then, I'll just watch. Octavia, do my ear for me. I really like the way she do it. You look really nice, don't it? Yeah, man, you look sexy, you freak. Do you see that like her, you know?